Welcome back to another episode of the news. We're into June already. This year is flying by. So let's just get right into this. We also have this. Pretty cool. That's a new intro for the series. So we're just going to get right into things here. The 2025 Ford Expedition has been spotted testing with 24-inch rims on it. Now, it's got this crazy wrap on it that doesn't really allow you to know what the body lines look like or anything like that. Now, it is going to be a refreshed look for the vehicle from Ford. So once they take all that off, it will look different. We're hoping, obviously, to see, a couple things with this next iteration. Obviously, we're going to have hybrid powertrains, maybe even a fully electric one. We don't know quite yet. And that actually transitions us very nicely into the next little bit of news here. Ford and Tesla have made an agreement for Ford users to start using the Tesla superchargers across the country. So what that means is that Ford users that have an electric vehicles, either the Lightning, the Mach-E, the Transit, will no longer need an adapter. The supercharger centers will have the adapter on the plugins already. And that gives Ford users now access to over 12,000 additional charge points without the need of using an adapter or having to screw around with something like that. So that is a huge news from Ford. Obviously, that makes the appeal of buying an EV a little bit better, just because charging is an issue. But the fact that Ford and Tesla has made an agreement, that is huge. So let us know down in the comments what you think about that. The fact that you now have access to an additional 12,000, because Ford has their own 10,000 across the country, called the Blue Oval Charge Network. So let us know what you think. That's great news for EV drivers. Now, because we don't already live in a dystopian hellscape, Ford has filed a patent to have drone landing pads, UAV landing pads, on your Ford vehicle. So I don't know what that looks like. I know that they're talking about it to be mobile, like like the drone will land on it on the move. Whether it's a third-party thing, I'm not entirely sure, but it looks like they filed the patent for it, so it's out there. It could happen in the future. Could you imagine you're just sitting in traffic and then like 50 Amazon Prime drones come down and just carry off your vehicle like the monkeys from The Wizard of Oz? Could you imagine? Take you off to Bezos's lair in a volcano somewhere. I don't know. I think that is a lot, but at the same time, that's where we're going. That's the future. Okay, so I just did some more research, and it looks like there is potential for the drones to land on your vehicle and then help you jumpstart the vehicle if you need help jumpstarting the vehicle. That's cool, but a drone can fly 6 feet when it's minus 40 out here. So, sure. And finally, as of right now, on the American website at least, you can go and build and price your new Ranger. So you can go and look at all the different colors. You can go and put anything that you want on these things, throw it all together, and it'll give you a rough idea of how much it's going to be. Very cool. The Ranger Raptor is going to be obviously a very formidable vehicle for us here at Ford. The new Tacoma was just announced, and it looks fantastic. So it'll be pretty crazy to see how they compare, how they compete, if they even are close to each other. But it'll be obviously really fun. I'd love to get my hands on a Taco and one of these and just go out to the middle of nowhere and just thrash them around for a little bit. So let us know down in the comments how you feel about everything from this week. Obviously, the Tesla thing's pretty cool. The drone thing is the drone thing. And the Ranger. This is going to be a lot of fun, I think. So remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week. Thank you for watching.